Read along to improve your pronunciation. Today our topic is top productivity tips for working from home. Firstly, creating a dedicated workspace is essential. Find a quiet corner in your home and set it up as your office. This separation of work from leisure areas helps signal to your brain that it's time to focus. A well-organized, comfortable workspace can significantly enhance your concentration and productivity. Ensure you have all the necessary tools and supplies within reach to minimize distractions and maintain a smooth workflow. Sticking to a routine is another crucial aspect of staying productive at home. Begin your day at the same time every day, just as you would if you were commuting to an office. Establish a morning routine that prepares you mentally and physically for the workday ahead. This could include activities like exercising, having a healthy breakfast, or reading. Following a structured schedule helps create a sense of normalcy and keeps you disciplined. Plan your day in blocks of time dedicated to specific tasks, including regular breaks and a set finishing time. This structure not only enhances productivity, but also helps maintain a healthy work-life balance. Using a to-do list is a powerful productivity tool. Start each day by writing down your tasks and prioritizing them. This helps you stay organized and focused on what's important. Break down larger projects into smaller, manageable tasks and tackle them one by one. Crossing off completed tasks provides a sense of accomplishment and motivates you to keep going. There are various digital tools and apps available that can help you create and manage your to-do lists efficiently. Avoiding distractions is key to maintaining productivity. Identify potential distractions in your home environment and take steps to minimize them. Turn off notifications on your phone and computer to avoid constant interruptions. Communicate with family members or housemates about your work schedule and set boundaries to ensure you have uninterrupted time to focus on your tasks. Using noise-canceling headphones or playing background music can also help create a conducive work environment. Additionally, try to avoid multitasking, as it can reduce your efficiency and increase the likelihood of errors. Taking regular breaks is essential for sustaining productivity throughout the day. Working for long stretches without breaks can lead to burnout and decreased performance. Follow the Pomodoro technique, which involves working for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break. After completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Use these breaks to step away from your desk, stretch, hydrate, and refresh your mind. Short breaks can help improve focus, creativity, and overall productivity. Staying connected with your team is crucial when working from home. Regular virtual meetings and check-ins help maintain communication and collaboration. Use video conferencing tools to have face-to-face interactions, which can help foster a sense of connection and teamwork. Make an effort to communicate clearly and effectively with your colleagues, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need assistance or support. Keeping in touch with your team helps ensure that everyone is on the same page and working towards common goals. Practicing self-care is another vital aspect of maintaining productivity while working from home. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is essential for sustained productivity. Ensure you eat healthy meals, stay hydrated, and get regular exercise. Physical activity can boost your energy levels, improve your mood, and enhance your overall well-being. Additionally, make sure you get enough sleep each night to recharge and be ready for the next day. Prioritize activities that help you relax and unwind, such as reading, meditating, or spending time with loved ones. Taking care of yourself allows you to show up as your best self in your work. Maintaining a work-life balance is critical for long-term productivity and well-being. When working from home, the lines between work and personal life can easily blur. Set clear boundaries to separate work time from personal time. Create a designated workspace that you can leave at the end of the workday. Establish a routine that includes time for hobbies, social activities, and relaxation. Communicate with your employer and family about your work hours and availability. Taking these steps can help prevent burnout and ensure that you have time for both work and personal pursuits. In addition to these tips, it's important to leverage technology to enhance productivity while working from home. There are numerous tools and software available that can help you manage your tasks, collaborate with your team, and stay organized. Project management tools like Trello, Asana, and Monday.com can help you track your progress and stay on top of deadlines. Communication tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom facilitate seamless collaboration and communication with your team. Time management tools like Toggle and Rescue Time can help you monitor how you're spending your time and identify areas for improvement. By utilizing these tools effectively, you can streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Another important aspect of staying productive while working from home is setting realistic goals. It's important to set achievable and measurable goals that align with your overall objectives. Break down larger goals into smaller, actionable steps and create a timeline for achieving them. Setting realistic goals helps you stay focused and motivated and provides a sense of direction and purpose. Regularly review and adjust your goals as needed to ensure you're on track and making progress. Staying motivated can be challenging when working from home, especially if you're used to the structure and social interactions of an office environment. Find ways to stay motivated by setting rewards for yourself, celebrating your achievements, and staying connected with your colleagues. Create a positive work environment by surrounding yourself with things that inspire and motivate you, such as motivational quotes, photos, or music. Find what works best for you and make an effort to stay motivated and engaged in your work. It's also important to continue learning and developing your skills while working from home. Take advantage of online courses, webinars, and other resources to enhance your knowledge and skills. Staying up to date with industry trends and developments can help you stay competitive and advance in your career. Set aside time each week for professional development and make it a priority to continue learning and growing. In conclusion, working from home presents unique challenges, but with the right strategies and mindset, you can maintain and even enhance your productivity. Creating a dedicated workspace, sticking to a routine, using a to-do list, avoiding distractions, taking regular breaks, staying connected with your team, practicing self-care, maintaining a work-life balance, leveraging technology, setting realistic goals, staying motivated, and continuing to learn are all essential for staying productive while working from home. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember to practice your pronunciation as you follow along. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the English Reading Room. See you next time.